To see satellite view in Google Maps on your iPhone, start by opening the Google Maps app. If you don't have the app, you can download it from the App Store. Once the app is open, you will see a map of your current location. To switch to satellite view, tap the map layer icon in the top right corner of the screen. This icon looks like two layers stacked on top of each other. Tapping this icon will open a menu with several options, including satellite view. Select satellite view from the menu to switch the map to a satellite image. You can also use the globe icon to switch to satellite view. The globe icon is usually located at the top right corner of the screen. When you are in satellite view, you can zoom in and out using pinch gestures. You can also pan the map by dragging your finger across the screen. To get back to the regular map view, simply tap the map layer icon again and select default or another map type from the menu. You can also use the globe icon to switch back to the regular map view. It is worth noting that satellite view may not be available for all locations, especially in areas with low population density or limited satellite coverage. Additionally, satellite images may not always be up to date, so you may see some changes or construction that has occurred since the last satellite image was taken. By following these steps, you should be able to see satellite view in Google Maps on your iPhone. This feature can be very useful for getting a better understanding of the layout of an area, especially when planning a trip or trying to get a sense of the surrounding landscape.